Contact still happening on this calendar, Wednesday, 27 January 2021. Still Happy New Year, based contact say date on this moment millennium. Experience telecommunication and contact body phenomena supernatural still need to be conferenced for this progress about Internet ID 6661 discovery already seen by peoples on international on this millennium. Countries include also United States of America and also base context saying Mr. Donald Trump also and peoples include the cabinet of the government United States of America. Or also about contact Sir Alien Tate on United States of America about Internet ID 6661 for discovery as project one continue by one Colonel Seth on Internet Global. Context say this moment experience telecommunication and contact body also already got connected with Office Ambassador of United States of America on Indonesia and also local domicile town Medan, North Sumatra Province, address of 6661 for discovery meaning actually. Context say 6661 for discovery meaning on potential for the project Internet Digital Money based template design 6661 for discovery on Internet Global and Alien Family International Sir Alien Tate also already know about this template design sketsa project 6661 for discovery on Internet. Based context say countries also already get connected for this moment appointment 666 by one discovery meaning actually about also basic for pioneering case supernatural phenomena. Context say peoples on international interest for the continue about the execution and also for recognize about the suspect domicile of them. Context say international got connected with 6661 discovery meaning on this moment minute and one say also about the indication suspect on probability from country domicile 6661 discovery meaning issue about Javanese international movement on this day on this millennium about also confirm Internet ID 6661 discovery meaning. Context say they own conspiration local channels about the activity supernatural and one confirmed by international this millennium to 6661 discovery Internet claim on this day. Context say actually about project design template 6661 discovery will be status as reward and also gains about the progress pioneering case by 6661 discovery beside about also appointment with Alien Farm International Sir Alien Tate about this moment alibi supernatural phenomena happening with claim Internet ID already began since 2008. 6661 discovery for recognizing situation activity supernatural suspect human commanding ghosts from grave unknown religions and also unknown peoples by confirmed contact claim Internet ID 6661 discovery. Context say also about Forex International digital money as pointed on this moment calendar by 6661 discovery template design project on Internet Global. Contact International, say Alien Farm International, through also names Alien Ted on United States of America, already agree and known about the Internet ID 6661 discovery template design project for X title 666 as money logo on this millennium. Pioneering by design, concept, sketch and analyze 6661 discovery meaning self. Contact Alien Farm International, Sir Alien Ted United States of America also, and all Alien Farm International coalition names on this millennium. Include also names Alien Emerter, Arabic Israel, and also Sir Alien Morgan Angel, and contact also about another alien family names that probability include for this moment contact telecommunications Sir Alien Ted on this millennium. Appointment number of people already arrived, complete by pioneering 666 local discovery meaning. Since 2008 until this year 2021, about basic pioneering case, supernatural phenomena, suspect human commanding ghost from grave, mark of the beast on this millennium. Context say this moment conference recording protocol need also for recognize the situation, suspect, on probability, latents on international by Javanese movement, terror, about also local and non-religious of their national country. From Indonesia, domicile resident 666 1 discovery meaning. And context this progress also include about international country to country for recognize the chronology and also about names from their society syndicate activity supernatural on social. Context 666 1 discovery meaning already approved by international millennium about this moment situation. Internet ID 6661 discovery meaning mobile for project appointment alien family on this millennium. About existence alien family safe national country money logo 666 or numbering of people among human countries on this future millennium. Context say basic about conversation already happening between alien with human since years before 6661 discovery meaning on Europe and also America and through also Arabic Israel. About for numbering of people complete code millennium and also about phenomena supernatural will be happening in same time. Code suspect human commanding ghost from grave. Context say alien farm international already known about Internet ID 6661 discovery meaning and already contact international by alien friendship human. About if our numbering code people already agree with 6661 discovery meaning. For appointment digital money, Internet global on appointment with alien family. Alien family status self money logo, self national bank among human countries. Continue conversation on this moment 2021. Context alien farm international already decision for proof project internet 6661 discovery meaning as appointment alien farm international for the true 666 and also about basic supernatural phenomena case pioneering by 6661 discovery meaning since 2008 until this year 2021. Suspect human commanding ghosts from grave and also experienced peoples international about telecommunication and contact body supernatural among social. Context international also already recognized for name Adibana Giting Suka as parent of 6661 discovery meaning on chronic relation historical as icon chambers also to name country Suriname. Name Adibana Giting Suka, already recognized as parents of 6661 Colonel's country meaning, and also about his connection international, such also another son or about enterprise company to Adibana. For appointment about 6661 Colonel's country meaning, need to be correlation. Contact Ellen Family International, country to country also. About this moment millennium, 666 already arrived, and also about basic for pioneering case supernatural phenomena suspect human actually. International to Suriname and also another country already recognized for existence in internet ID 6661 police country meaning. About this moment progress supernatural telecommunication happening and confusing, because also this moment really rare for a conversation real among social about supernatural phenomena, and 6661 discovery meaning want to be contacted by international this millennium for the progress, because also status protocol and also appointment with alien family global. Internet global include also social media there for continued investigation and also improvement this moment situation suspect among social human commanding goes from grave about connection chronology years before 6661 police discovery meaning also terror on international millennium. Actually on relation chronology also based context stated with this moment phenomena supernatural already pioneering 6661 police discovery meaning human commanding ghosts from grave, include also about their name, leader and icon chambers, local domicile of them. 6661 police discovery meaning will be in contact until this moment recording by international millennium for the continued improvement 6661 police discovery meaning as a black gold of a suspect and also about reward also, and contact Ellen Farm International for the continue about this experience still going on. 6661 police discovery meaning international connection on internet global truly happening and non-fake for this experience people can be found in social media such as also Google and also Pinterest and about Facebook also, and the new one about Bigo and also Twitter and video to YouTube and other link web on internet global. 6661 police discovery meaning on this moment recording confirm about contact telecommunication or get connected with international this experience telecommunication and contact body truly happening among social or international country to country, include also Asia and also countries there, and the president also and government and also social local there, include also Arabic Israel, include countries there also such as also Israel and Arab and government there, and people's local there also based context say or you get connected with this experience peoples on international supernatural phenomena truly suspect by human local about also Yakuha or about country domicile 6661 for discovery meaning. Contact alibi international alien family also we get connected with peoples on this moment 2021. United States of America to name also about alien tape alien tape as status delegation of Alien Farm International Coalition on this millennium about sponsoring project internet ID 6661 discovery meaning to complete a refund 2666 status honored by Alien Family International Centuria actually. Contact also about Alien Family International and other names for their connection to alien tape United States of America. about this moment, also for appointment declaration, Allen Family International Coalition on self-national country among human countries on self-money logo, code, symbol, numbering code Bible, the true numbering code Bible 666, relation chronology historical to Islam and also kingdom, and about Bodhicitta and also about Emerter and Rome's and Egyptian. Because context say Allen Family International one get connected to 666 one could discover meaning for that, and also Sir Alien Tate United States of America. The money logo, numbering code Bible, already arrived on this millennium, and Allen Family International Coalition want to declare status as self-national money logo to future by this momentum special millennium. 6661 for discovery meaning patent license for ownership the true 666 by alien reincarnation human, by alien emerter, by Allen Family International Coalition on this moment millennium. 6661 for discovery meaning about design project sketch also on internet global for perfecting and also released by Allen Family International also. Committee realization, official sponsor, One Direction, special, Allen Family Global. 6661 for discovery meaning the true 666 century. Allen Family ownership and appointment for name also about internet, about digital money, about Allen Family ownership self money logo, mobile and committee realization self by Allen Family self. Contact say conversation already happening between alien with human and also national UFO on Arabic Israel. Since years before 6661 discovery meaning numbering of people will arrive on moment millennium in same time about phenomena supernatural could suspect human commanding ghosts from grave, struggle case human commanding ghosts from grave, and also about appointment for declared status Allen Family as self-national, self-country money logo 666 among human countries. 666 for discovery meaning the 6th day God was created human. Question for supernatural suspect human commanding ghosts on this millennium about their claim for the status similar with God or heaven. 6661 for discovery meaning also already got contact by Allen Family International on this millennium for appointment numbering code people actually One Direction to Allen Family Global status owner of the 2666 century by alien reincarnation human want to be proof code millennium about tribute status for spirit or meaning also struggle case supernatural phenomena code millennium code human commanding goods from grave code 666 about also status Holy Spirit as struggle existency Allen Family self national money logo self country money logo ambassador for national Ethereum galaxies. Code also about relation chronic historical alien reincarnation human with alien emerter. 6661 for discovery meaning one say thank you very much to Allen Family International on this millennium. Basically Allen Family International is status hero for the struggle situation by 6661 for discovery meaning independence committee and basic by experience ordinary about supernatural phenomena happening to 6661 for discovery meaning since 2008 until 2021 keep going on and already alibi by international experienced people for same situation supernatural phenomena and also about telecommunication and contact body ordinary among social. 6661 for discovery meaning Allen Family ownership funding and also connection for project realization and also about developing a product or about assembling factory for product project appointment numbering code people future also. Ellen Farm International status owner of Stockholm and also appointment for declared status exists as self-national, self-country money logo, code symbol money, numbering code Bible among social, international, among human countries, with agreement patent license 2666 by ownership alien recognition human 666 1 discovery meaning. 666 1 discovery meaning on this moment calendar conference recording live also. Basically about also confirmation international for code ID suspect to Japanese from country domicile 666 1 discovery meaning. Since years before 666 1 discovery meaning already recognized by International Millennium for its status as Troublemaker International, but also suicide bomb on international since years before 6661 discovery meaning. Their status as connection suspect among social about local ethnic costumes that are claimed by 6661 discovery meaning on internet, social media, and now religions by them, and also their connection conspiracy religions from Asia on this moment international millennium. 6661 discovery meaning. Thank you very much international millennium countries. Thank you also United States of America for also name to the alien date about this moment experience and pioneering case or you get connected with us. 6661 discovery meaning. See you again on my next internet. And also about RFID on this last minute 6661 discovery meaning. Get contact also about name company include alien family or United States of America or context alien date name to RFID. 6661 discovery meaning. Get connected with them also on this moment experience millennium. Thank you. Okay, still get connected on this last second. International contact also about the connection for this moment experience millennium. It also about the underground club Friends International, such also black metal and also group include there, such also Cradle of Field and also Napalm Death also and also another. Thank you very much. Hollywood also, Metallica also, Korn also, Linkin Park also, and Mr. Valentino Rossi also, and also Mr. Ronaldo also, and Mr. David Beckham also from England, and Miss Britney Spears also, and Miss Paris Hilton also, best contact said from Hollywood, United States of America. On this moment contact also get connected for this experience People's International to 6661 discovery. Thank you very much. And also another such also from Korea also best contact say, and also from Japan also, and also Miss Maria Ozawa from Japan also, and also Thailand, Bangkok, Bigo International also, and also another. And also from Israel government and military also, and politician from country Israel also, from Arabic also, and also from Iran, and Islam country from Arabic Israel also, and also from Palestine also. Context say, hello Palestine. This is 6661 Scarf Remaining Supernatural Phenomena. Contact confirmation on this moment minute. Thank you. And another also, thank you very much, and see you again on my next internet. Link also from Asia based context say, such also Singapore, Malaysia, Brunei also, and Philippines also, for this experience telecommunication, and also from Timor-Leste, also, and from Australia also, and from Tasmania Island also, from Hawaii also, based context say, from Hawaii also, from Amazon also, peoples from Amazon, and zone territory on Amazon. Go for this experience telecommunication also. Contact alien farm international and countries and domicile country Indonesia also on this moment millennium experience people supernatural phenomena. Thank you very much. Actually payment for this continued project appointment. Contact alien family millennium. Definitive optimist status capable ability for realization project self-sponsorship or connection by them also as meaning alien family on appointment and interest for 6661 discovery meaning about alien family continue appointment project self code this millennium alien family on declare status exists as self-national country, self-money logo, self-monitor fiscal, self-police economy among human countries, among social international. This millennium, the future. Thank you very much and see you again on my next internet 666 1 call discovery me. Contact on this last second also say international by countries already agree for status 6661 on discovery meaning as the true 666 by this moment millennium improvement international peoples contact experience phenomena supernatural telecommunication and contact body internet ID 666 1 on discovery meaning